Hello and welcome to this market strategy hub. In this episode I'm going to show you why option buying fails. So this is Opstra, my strategy builder. Few days back, that is April 9, I bought a call option that is 23,750 when market was trading around 23,700, more than 750. So I bought call 23,750 call. So today market is at 23,880. So I should be in profit, right? But look here, I am in loss. Of 7,380 rupees. That is, the market is trading at 23,880. I'm in loss of 8,242. Let me go to analyze. This is my actual trade in Opstra. See, I bought 23,750 call. That is at a premium of 228.3. My max profit is undefined here. My max loss is around 14,840. That is the premium I paid. See, total profit and loss is 8,170. That is 55.06%. I'm in loss. Estimated margin I use is 14,840. That is the premium I paid. Look at this. Look at my entry price. See, my 23,750 call. My entry price is 228.3. 228.3. Right now it is trading at 102. See, more than half of the premium has gone down. I paid 228, but it came down to 102. That is more than half of my premium has come down. That is 8,170 rupees. I'm in loss. Market, let me go to payoff chart. This is payoff chart. See, market went up. So I bought 23,750 call when market went up, but the value went down. Value came down. This is where most beginners get confused in option buying. So what's the reason? Main reason behind this is time decay. See, options are wasting assets. Okay, every day, every minute, premium is decreasing. Premium is always decreasing in option buying. So second reason is slow move is equal to loss. So market move from 23,750 to 23,859. Market move to nearly 100 points, more than 100 points, but it took time to reach to this level, to this 859 level. So option buying needs fast move, not slow move. And reason number 3 is IV cross. See, IV, right now IV is 22.13. When I bought this, IV is more than 25. So IV cross. Today volatility is low, so when IV fall, option premium crosses. My direction is correct, but still loss. This is the reason behind my loss, and this is why option buying fails. See, time decay eats your premium. Time decay always eats your premium. And second reason is slow move is useless. In option buying, it needs a fast move, not slow move. So, and reason number 3 is IV cross kill value. So next time, don't just predict direction, but think about speed and timing when buying option. I hope you enjoy my video, and thank you for watching.